Alright, y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go over one of my shoes I just got in. Been slowing down on the shoe game a little bit, but hey, it's back in. So we're gonna take a look at these Jordan 6s, retro tech chrome. Alright, so look, so I saw these and I was pretty excited about them. Then I just had to see that they were actually women's shoes, so or you know, women's sizes. So how it goes is, you know, they make some shoes for women, they make some shoes for men, but it's just basically go for certain shoes go for the men or women sizes. Women wear the same shoes we do, they just have to know the size of men. Same thing with us. I know my size in women's, how it translates, and it works out fine. So these may not be a top priority on everybody's list. Alright, so you see Jordan 6s. See, you got the emblem. So that's a couple things I like about this shoe. First of all, I've never seen it in person, so I have to get it in hand, and you know, Nike's pretty good. If you don't like it, you can just shoot it back to them. Especially during the pandemic, you get your money back pretty quick, as long as you don't wear them or anything like that. So here's a couple things about this shoe. So black and silver, pretty much you sold if you got me on black and silver. You know, being a big Raiders fan, and I just like wearing black and silver separately, together. This is my color. So they got a few different types. So if you can see right here, they got that like kind of light gray, and then this is black underneath. But guess what though? It's covered by a little plastic, so that's pretty unique. Now the bottom, like in this light, it looks like a white to me, but it's kind of an off-white, and I kind of like that. I usually don't. I kind of like that because it's hard to keep the white clean, but it gives it a little rustic look. I could have did without this wing. This wing is always on the Jordan 6, but I mean, hey, you know, it's back there. Great logo. Now you can order these little shoelace eyelets online. Dang, can't focus here. Online and eBay, but yeah, I got a pair because here's the issue. It's sky blue, and it's the reason because the Jordan logo underneath the sky blue, so it kind of goes. But I'm like walking on these, you can't tell there's no any sky blue on here, so I'm like, well, I have it, and it's gonna bother me. Nobody else can probably see it, but it's gonna bother me. Black laces, gave you the emblem. Probably not gonna wear this with the shoe. May try it one time, but this might turn into a keychain or something. But I think that's still pretty cool that they give that to you. Now, I'm gonna take out the right pair. Also, I wanted you to look. So I showed you that gray on the side. Also, the like darker gray suede on all the shoes, all suede on the top. So I like that. Showing you this side because check it out. Comes with alternative laces, sky blue, and then gray is what I probably wear. Cause I just don't see how, besides him being Jordan going to Carolina, I don't see how this ties into the shoe. But hey, so sky blue, Carolina maybe. Oh, and then the tongue. The tongue got that similar gray to the side, but it's not. It's more kind of foam versus leather. And this is an overall comfortable shoe, man. You know, like I said, I'm a 9.5, usually 10, and these usually 10, yeah. So got size 11 in women's. Matches up, works out pretty good, but yeah. Jordan 6, retro tech chrome. Happy I got this in my collection. Well, to the next one. Tonight, NBA Finals. Lakers won game 1. Go Lakers. Y'all take care of each other. See you on the next one.